Right now, I'm at my new listing and it's gonna be going on the market in just a couple of days. I wanna tell you how I prep a house to get it ready for the market, because you just can't put it on the market. First of all, if the house needs any kind of repairs, I like to have my sellers take care of that first. If it needs to be painted or if it needs certain things that need to be taken care of, you wanna get that done prior. I have my stager come out and take a look at the house and give an idea of how it should be staged, if it needs to be staged. Then I have my crew come in. One, I have a home inspection done prior to the listing it on the market. That way we know if there's any surprises. Number two, I have the windows washed. So the windows will look glistening on the pictures. I also have it professionally cleaned. I have the termite inspection done so that we know if there's any termite activity on the house. Then once all that is done, it's time for the professional photography. And I just don't do regular photography. I do still pictures, I do a drone with drone video and drone still pictures. I do a highlight video, which is interactive. And I then have twilight photos taken. So that all takes time. And I do all this stuff prior to putting it in the MLS. So once it's in the MLS, the pictures show up and everything looks gorgeous. So stay tuned to see my new listing.